So hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few minutes with us. It's greatly appreciated. My name is Rich Charpentier. I'm the channel host for those of you who are new here. And normally we're talking about drone work. Specifically, we do a lot of construction progression work. We do a lot of autonomous flying for our clients, documenting raw land areas. And we also offer several different services beyond just drone work. Last week, I'd put out an announcement on our Black Friday bundle for the courses that we offer at AZ Drone. And I wanted to change it around just a little bit and actually shorten it up as well, just to tell you about what we're offering through Cyber Monday here in November 2021. So we're doing an early Black Friday announcement, and we're actually bundling our 11 courses into one little umbrella grouping here. So let's scroll right on down here. So what we are offering is 11 classes in one Black Friday bundle. We're actually discounting everything together for basically $70, down from $250 if you were taking all of the classes one at a time. So I wanted to tell you very quickly what these courses are about. So these aren't how to do stick control on your drones or your first flights or anything. We're actually talking about building a drone business, and we're talking about the business that I've been building for the past couple of years, and real life experience. We're actually doing these jobs. This isn't practice or tests or anything. This is actually from the work that we're doing for clients on multiple locations here in Arizona. So in total, we've got 11 courses. The Post-Part 107 class is an introduction to starting to think about building your drone business. You don't have to do all the same things we do, but in this Post-Part 107 class, we talk about the fact that it's more than just a drone and a controller. You're going to be looking into software and hardware, additional gear. Client requests might come in looking for still imagery from the ground as well as from the air. Clients often have expectations, since we fly cameras, because drones are basically flying cameras, that we probably know a good deal about cameras and still imaging and video as well. So we talk about all of that in the Post-Part 107 class. We talk about the realities of what you're probably going to be spending just to get started up. And we even walk you through some examples of the software and hardware we used for client jobs. After that, we start talking about drone construction progression. So that's why I've got that as our next one. And in there, we talk about how we document long-term projects for our clients so that they can keep track of the changes in their construction over time. In order to do some of that drone construction progression, we need to learn about two-dimensional and three-dimensional modeling as well. So we have a 3D modeling for beginners class, trying to help you keep your costs lower while still being able to do the jobs, because the software can get very expensive. From there, we go into our Litchi Waypoint missions class, where we show you some of the time-lapse work that we created utilizing a Mavic 2 Pro and the iPhone app Litchi. From there, we also go into Ground Station Pro, which is usually used for documenting areas for 2D and 3D models. And we also have the beginner's guide to Map Pilot Pro as well, which is another similar application to Ground Station Pro as well. So you have a couple of different options on how you capture your data. There's a lot of flight apps out there, but we talk about the flight apps that work for us and are successful in our business. That's the biggest part, right? We then talk about an introduction of 2D and 3D modeling with Metashape, which is a desktop modeling solution that you don't have to use. You could utilize Pix4D or Drones Made Easy or Drone Deploy. There's a lot of different 2D and 3D modeling applications out there on the web and for desktop, but we happen to use Metashape. While you might not be a Metashape user, most of the process that goes into utilizing Metashape is the same process as using other 3D modeling applications as well. There is a progression to how you generate these 2D and 3D models. So we dive very deeply into the Metashape class and spend a good bit of time getting you up and running and learning how to make your first models. But some of that knowledge is transferable to other applications as well. After that, we also do a 360-degree panoramic photos with drones, because while we're doing some of these things, while we're doing our construction progression, like I said before, customers might ask us for additional services like photography, still photography, video, 360 photos. So we do spend a lot of time on 360 imaging as well. And so we start out with panoramic photos with drones, and it's a very introductory video. From there, we take you on a beginner's guide to the Ricoh Theta Z1. That is one of the 360 cameras that we use most often in our business, and our clients find great value in it. So we can use drones for 360s. We can use other cameras for 360s as well. And in this case, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is our choice. Then we have a beginner's guide to making virtual tours with Kula. There's a lot of 360 viewers out there. You don't just have to use Kula, but that is the application of choice that we decided to settle on. We're very happy with utilizing Kula. So if you're doing 360 presentations for your clients, you can take a look at Kula, and most of the other 360 hosts out there have very similar features. Finally, we get into building a large 360 virtual tour in a 3-story art gallery in downtown Prescott. We take you through the gallery. We also talk to you about how we built that whole 360 tour. So once again, we do have our Black Friday special running through Cyber Monday. After that, this special will be going away and we'll be going back to our regular prices for everything. Just so you know, I wanted you to be able to check this out before you sign up. You can check out each one of our classes, and in each one of the classes, we do have preview videos. So you can find out if you like my teaching style, or maybe I'm going to put you to sleep. Who knows? You know, everyone's got different preferences. But if you check into any of the classes, the standalone classes, just clicking onto this one and waiting for it to pop up. But when you get down into our curriculum for each of our courses, we do have free previews. So please do feel free to check through each of the classes beforehand before you make the Black Friday bundle purchase to make sure that this suits your needs and is going to help you build your drone business coming into 2022. All right, everybody, that'll be the last of the Black Friday advertising that you see here officially on YouTube, and we'll go back to our regular content. But I really do hope you check out our courses, and I hope that you find that these courses could be valuable in building your drone business coming into 2022. All right, everybody, as always, thanks for stopping in again. Have an awesome rest of the week, and I hope you have a great start to this upcoming holiday season, Black Friday, and everything that follows behind it. We'll see you again real soon on channel. Thanks again.